I built my own website for content creators, and honestly, the results are crazy. The interface is smooth, modern, and instantly feels premium. One of the strongest features is the script rater, where you paste any script and get a detailed score based on hooks, psychology, emotional connection, and overall viral potential, so you know exactly what to fix before posting. Another powerful feature is the Alchemist. You write your video title, select a thumbnail, and then you will see a bunch of options on side and emotions below. All you need to do is select all the features that your thumbnail has, like big face, the expression of your character, colors are vibrant or not, and bold, and then check the rating to see how your title and thumbnail will perform together. On top of that, the platform includes a full title scorer, a high-quality thumbnail downloader, proven script templates, a channel name generator, a social preview tool, and a smart color palette generator for standout thumbnails. Now, here is what will shock you. I have zero coding skills, no web development experience, no designing background at all, and yet I built this fully functional website without spending a massive budget and without hiring anyone. After uploading my latest video, I was sitting at my desk searching for the best AI tool that could fulfill my needs without requiring me to master any technical skill, and that is when I discovered YouWear AI, a platform that lets you create any type of website, app, or even a game just by describing what you want. The best part? You get 7 days free trial on creating account. But here is the craziest feature. If you are not satisfied with what you built, you can click the rewind button and actually get your credits refunded back into your account. Yes, you heard that right. Getting your credits back if you do not like the project, we do not see that anywhere else. So in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how you can make your very first free website step by step. All you need to do is give me a few minutes of your time. First of all, let me walk you through the website so you get to know everything in detail. At the Explore tab, you can literally explore the websites and apps created by other people as well. If I jump into a project, you will see that I will be able to test out their website and its functions as well. That is a pretty cool feature. There are dozens of projects to explore. You can take inspiration from them and create something mind-blowing as well. You can literally create any type of website. You can even create landing pages, games, portfolios, presentations, and many more. So let's get started with the actual website creation process. Simply click on the Create button, and here you will see a chat box where you can literally define the type of website you want to create with simple language. Yes, just right there, whatever comes in your mind. On side, you will see multiple chatbots. You can see the speed and intelligence listed on side for each model. Also the token cost, whether low or high. You can select a chat model of your own choice from here, and then you can simply proceed with explaining whatever type of website you want to create. For now, I will show you how I created my own creativity website. For that purpose, I just wrote a basic prompt that tells AI the name of the website I want, and then I just explained its features like Title Optimizer, a real-time analysis of video titles based on length, power words, and formatting with an interactive scoring system, a thumbnail downloader for instant preview, and download of YouTube thumbnails in all available qualities, description templates, a library of copyable, professional description templates tailored for gaming, tutorials, vlogs, and reviews, channel name generator, a keyword-based generator that creates unique and catchy channel names for tech, gaming, and lifestyle niches, modern UI UX, a sleek dark ambient design with neon accents, smooth fade and animations, and a fully responsive layout for all devices. After providing the command comes the most important part. Now pay close attention. From this little menu option, you can select the MCP tools. These are the tools that actually build your website. Since we are making a tool specifically for YouTube, so we will add YouTube. So YouWear fetches every single data from YouTube. After that, for the user interface and the actual sleek look of your website that makes it stand out, Figma comes in, so make sure to add it as well. Then for management of your website in the backend, all the coding and programming, YouWear backend plays its role, and the AI API comes in for making the functions workable in your website, and both YouWear backend and AI API are now part of YouBase. YouBase is automatically enabled in your every project, so you do not need to worry about everything. Once all done, simply hit generate, and YouWear will start making your website with all the coding and programming, and you just have to wait and watch it doing the actual cooking, which only takes a few minutes to actually cook your entire website. Literally, guys, my website is just off the charts. I am beginning to love it. Once the website is ready, you can literally click on the boost option. You will see a few options. If you choose any of that, it will automatically command that AI to do that upgrade to your site, whether it be the UI or the designing or even even animations. After that, you can command AI to enable visual editing feature by just typing, "This AI is going to enable visual editing feature." With this feature, you can edit the entire website, like changing any sentence or any name, or even replacing the images or even the logos. You can completely customize your site as per your desire. Lastly, there is an option to autofix. Once you click on it, you will again see multiple options. You can choose any of it if it matches your problem, and AI will fix it. Or you can just select autofix and explain your problem in simple words as well. And AI will do proper fixing, saving you lots of time in manual fixing, where a human is required to fix the issues that brings cost and also wastes a lot of time. After everything is done and you are ready to publish your site, you can just hit this publish button. After that, you can either go with the domain of YouWear, or you can simply provide your own custom domain that is totally up to your choice. You can also check out other settings, and once ready, just hit publish, and now your website is actually live for anyone to use it. Guys, all of these features and YouWear is literally so cheap that anyone can easily afford it. Start from only $20 per month, and you can create websites of your choice. I will pin link to YouWear in description. Guys, that was all for today. Please show some love with like and subscribe. Until next time.